Alright guys, that's another video here. You can see the waterproofing. You can see waterproofing. Okay guys, that's concrete wall. You can see the waterproofing, and here catch basin. This guy, he cleaned the anchor bolt so it will be ready. And here you can see the anchor bolt. You can see the anchor bolt above the wall and waterproofing. That's for the storage. Okay guys. You can see beams and columns. Waterproofing. Beams, columns. You can see anchor bolts above concrete returning wall. You can see here beams using large crane, big crane, concrete returning wall, and waterproofing to cover the dirt elevation. Okay guys, here you can see metal stud framing and sheathing, dumpster. Using a scaffold. That's a good work. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos. Thank you, bye.